we are going to work for confederation for our state. That means we need maximum autonomy for our regions. Our priority for my region is security for our people. We need to secure our people by our own defense forces. We are here as federalists and confederalists. Gambella and Benishangul, our priority is for confederation. Why we have opted for confederation for our region, especially for the southwest of Ethiopia? We have more than 30 tribes. We have been recognized as citizens in the country. There is a racism in the country, systematic racism. The central government always look for the resources, not the people. And we want to bring the priority to address the needs of our people. There is a big gap between poor and rich in the country. We want to bring that gap closer. So as a nation, we are fighting for equality. We need to respect humanity. Every human being has to be respected, despite of the colors. Ethiopia has been doing this, has been carried out a systematic racism in the country, almost like apartheid in South Africa. But this is a time where we need to recognize every human being in the country. The war that has been launched by the Tigrayan people, they didn't do it out of blue. They are defending their self-determination, not to go back to the previous regime that has been eliminating others and favoring very few people. So we appreciate what the Tigrayan has done in this war. We appreciate that they encourage our regions to fight for their own freedom. So this is a call for more devolution in the country. So everyone will exercise the freedom, the humanity, equality, and we need to enjoy the security. We need to enjoy the freedom. For the Gambella people, for the Benishangul people, for the South Omo people, I think this will make an historical trend where we have people who have been crying before God for their own freedom. They've been killed like dogs. They've been segregated. The resources have been plundered by the predatory governments. This is a time for them to enjoy their development with freedom. So the war that has been launched in the Tigray is not only for the Tigray. We are going to work to free our people, the whole nation. So it should be uploaded by all the 83 tribes in the country, in Ethiopia. Our message for that one, for the Ethiopians. You don't need to fight for the government that centralize the system, that bring back the domination in the country in the past. They should not fight for Abiy, because Abiy is centralizing the country. We are going in opposite way. We are defending the existing constitution. In that constitution, there is an Article 39 that says succession is, self-determination up to successions. But Abiy is going to abolish that Article 39. We want to improve that Article 39 to make it a reality in the life of people. So our message to Ethiopians, you don't need to fight for the government then that bring you back to the slavery, that bring you back to domination, to benefit the few. This is a freedom for all of you, 33 tribes in Ethiopia. We are calling you to unite with us so we can enjoy freedom in our country. Thank you.
So you're with, who are you with?
It's Gambella People Liberation Army.
So what is your message to the Biden administration? Do you think they're wrong to try to hold these ceasefire negotiations? Are we past that point? Is that your message today?
Yeah, our message to Biden, we are Ethiopian fighting to bring real democracy in the country. So United States is a very good country for a democracy, and democracy has been born in this country. Since we are fighting for real democracy in Ethiopia, I think the Biden government has to unite with us. They have to stand behind us. They have to support us in every direction that we go. There is more to do to bring what we want to a reality. So we call the American government to stand with us so we can bring real change in the country. We will bring peace to Ethiopia and stop this bloodshedding all the years. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we end the session of answer and question. Thank you.